It's a bad man thing, yeah. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, His body, baby, oh. Hey, His body, baby, oh. Bulaka, it's a bad man thing. See, I'm a, hey, it's a bad man thing, yeah. Bulaka, see,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. In today's video I'm going to be doing a passion twist on a wig, and I'm using a mesh cap for this tutorial, and also I'll be using a 10 inches lace closure. You can decide to use a longer lace closure or a shorter one, it just depends, but I used a 10 inches lace closure. So right now I'm just trying to position the closure on the wig cap and then pin it down with my T-pins, and also I'm going to be separating some hair at the front that I'll be using to create the baby hair. You can actually do this step before sewing the closure down, but I did separate it before sewing it down. So I already bleached the knot of this closure off camera. Right now I'm just going to braid the hair out of the way.
Say we get to bed, so no delay. See, by the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting more. Busting out the place and they wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. I'm a jar little. I'm a jar little. Say we get to bed, so no delay. By the end of the day she be wanting more. By the end of the night they be wanting more. Busting out the place, them I wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. In all the place, see the girl them know. See the girl them know. In all the house, see the man them know. See the man them know. Baby make me feel alright, make me feel my fantasy, yeah. Cause you turn me on, now you're taking me all night long. Bad man, bossing all the place, them I wanting more. Them I wanting more. See, bossing all the place, then they feel me, yo. Then they feel me, yo. See them girls just want to party. See them boys, them just want to party. In a me yard, them I throw the party. In a me place, them I throw the party. Say, who like a bad man, me a bossing all the place. Who like a bad man, other girls, them I crazy. She a whine it for me, she a grind it for me, she a pull up.
So after sewing down the closure, I'm going to cut out that excess piece of lace underneath the lace closure.
When I place and whine it for me, I wanting more. When I pull up in a place, they be wanting more. I wanting more. When I pull up in a scene, they be wanting more. In the place, see the girl them know. See the girl them know. In the house, see the man them know. See the man them know. Baby make me feel alright, make me feel my fantasy, yeah. Cause you turn me on, now you're taking me all night long.
I'm going to use my edge control to mold the hair into place, and then I'm going to split each side into 4 sections. And after splitting the hair into 4 sections, I'm also going to use rubber bands to separate the hair into smaller sections. And then I'm going to take off the rubber bands before braiding the hair. I feel like the rubber bands really helped me to know the amount of hair that I'll be twisting, but I went ahead and I took them off before braiding each hair. I'm going to do 4 corn roll going towards the back, and then for the rest I'll be doing a twist.
Bad man, oh Lord of His mercy. Make them know. Bad man. Bulaka, 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 bulaka. His body, baby, oh.
It's VQs.
Original bad man, oh. Leg up. fire can cool me up blazing.
So for the cornrow, I'll be separating the passion twist into small sections, and that is what I'll be using to do the feeding cornrow that I'll be doing. And this passion twist is from a company called ELIGHTY hair. I'm going to leave every details of this hair in my description box below in case you guys are interested.
Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I do say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me a tell them me a what I done. Tell them okay what I done, me a done. Tell them let them hear what I want. Tell them me a let them hear what I want. Say they girl don't try run me down. Bad man, me I never talk on me on. Say them a fear try put me down. Bad men are tracking me down. I tell them, bad man endure me, I vex them. They don't understand me, I see them. Anywhere they stand me, I tear them. Too low. I tell them, come in on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I tear them. So you think them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright. Say things them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright. There you go.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another.
I know I almost finished the wig off camera, but I'm going to show you guys the most important thing about what I did. So this is the passion twist. I'm going to be using 2 strands, and I'm going to make one strand longer than the other. That way to add extra length to the hair. You don't have to make one strand longer than the other if you don't want the length to be this long. So, and after that you're going to separate the hair. So like I said before, I did take off the rubber band before braiding the hair, so I just took this one out already, and I'm just going to do box braid first, that way to secure the hair, because this hair is the lace closure hair is very slippery, and also the passion twist is slippery. So if I decide to twist it from the bottom, it will not last. So I decided to do box braid from the bottom and then twist it once I once I can no longer see the human hair.
The nigga, say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy ya, say she give me pommy ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I they think so. Any man, them me looking at they think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad man a boss inna the thing. So girl for me yard, say me for me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me filler wine. Aye. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb look like them are watching. They are pretty bad man. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. His body baby, oh. His body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you boss in the place, nah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, yeah, wine I'm free. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, yeah, wine I'm free. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Your friends they tell you say I be nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me. Baby, make you follow me, I go give you all of me. Omoto Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I wanting more. Let me blow. Tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. Let me blow. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine I'm slow. This one no be private show. You don't know. Vicky's bad man point instrumental. Even on one time. It's okay. Bad man will take you there. Man finna gone away. It's okay. Bad man finna take you there.
So that's all that I did for this hair. Like, it wasn't so difficult at all. I actually thought that the back would be difficult and I was going to take so much time, but the hair at the back took less time. Like, the front part was the most difficult of this hair. The back was super easy. You guys, if you've ever done passion twist before, you know that you don't spend too much time twisting the hair. Like, the hair can literally just twist on its own, not really on its own, but it's really not that hard. Doesn't take so much time to twist passion twist. So, and the hair is very fluffy and lightweight. It looks really full, but trust me, it's super lightweight and fluffy. So I'm just going to trim off this short hair and then put on my wig and voila. So I went ahead and used my foundation and my bronzer to tint the hair so it matches with my skin tone or my complexion. And that's basically all that I did for this tutorial. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
When I ride out, bumble.
It's fake kills.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. It's got to be. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them I come, them I feel alive. One by one. Them I step in on me yard, them I enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man, I tell them, me then go slow. Them I feeling on my vibe and see the girl, them go down. Ooh, wee. Bad man on the show now. Oh, yeah. See the girls, them go down. Ooh, wee. And a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure.